In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make and launch website from Replit AE. We'll walk through the full journey from idea to a live website using Replit's AI agent to handle the heavy lifting while you guide the vision. By the end, you'll know how to describe what you want, review what the AI builds, refine it with simple instructions, and publish it to the web on a free subdomain or your own custom domain. Start by telling the AI exactly what you're aiming for, in plain language. Think of this as your creative brief. Describe the overall look and feel, such as a clean minimalist layout or a vibrant, colorful style. Specify the pages you need, like home, about, and contact, and any features you want, such as a contact form, an image gallery, or a blog section. If you have a site name or tagline, include that too. The more context you give about your audience, goals, and content tone, the better the first draft will match your vision. Don't worry about technical jargon. Clear, specific descriptions are enough. Once you share your prompt, the AI agent gets to work building the site. Behind the scenes, it creates the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that make everything function and look polished. You'll typically see a plan or visual preview of the structure, including navigation, sections, and placeholder content. Review this preview to confirm the layout and style before moving forward. If something feels off, maybe the color palette is too bright or a section order doesn't fit, just say so. Brief feedback like use a neutral palette or move the testimonials above the gallery helps the agent refine its plan quickly. After the initial build, it's time to customize. Ask the AI to adjust spacing, fonts, and button styles, rewrite headings for clarity, or swap out images and icons. You can request new elements like a sticky header or a simple footer with social links, or ask it to improve accessibility and mobile responsiveness. If you spot a bug or odd behavior, describe what you see and let the AI fix it. It can also run self-checks in the background to improve performance and reliability while you keep iterating. When you're satisfied, launch with one click. Choose a free Replit subdomain if you're just getting started, or connect your own custom domain for a branded presence. Publishing makes your site accessible through a shareable link, and you can update and redeploy anytime as your content evolves. That's it. Describe, build, refine, and launch. Clear guidance to the AI plus quick iterations will get you a polished website fast. Let's get building.